Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change car icon in Google Maps. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the Try Now option in the upper right corner to start using Google Maps. Now, changing the car icon in Google Maps can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, it allows you to personalize your navigation experience based on your visual preferences because you can choose the icon that resonates with your style or preferences, making the navigation interface more enjoyable and engaging. And selecting a distinct or unique car icon can improve visibility on the map, especially in areas with dense road networks or complex intersections. A standout icon can make it easier to identify your location and navigate efficiently. But how do we do it? How do we change the car icon in Google Maps? Now, if you are using your mobile device, it's going to be a different way. But the thing is, all you have to do is now make sure you go for a destination first. Say, for example, I'm going to look for the United neighborhood of Springdale. And I'm going to go for the directions first, okay? And from here, obviously, we need to select the mode to the driving because we're using the walking earlier. And from here, let me change the location first. So it's gonna be a lot easier. Okay, so that's that. So I'm gonna hover to the driving mode. And then from here, you see that. Okay, so I'm here right now on my route preview. I'm heading northwest on the East 42nd Street toward the Pershing Square. Okay, as you can see, I don't have the car icon because I am not using the Android. Basically, the change icon, car icon is only available on the Android on Google Maps. But the thing is, you see this car icon simply here, right? If you are using an Android device, basically you would be able to just click on that specific car icon and just change it from a normal car icon to a truck. All right, and you also have an option to, you can also change it from the blue button while navigating your terrain to your destination. But the thing is, it's essentially the same because as you can see, I'm heading towards my specific location without the need to change my icon here, okay? So thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.